Welcome back to Kid TV!
Oh no, look at the messy floor.
Toys are scattered near the door. Playtime is over, it is done. Cleaning up can be so fun.
Clean up, pick up toys.
Happy girls and happy boys. Put the blocks inside the bin. Let the cleaning fun begin.
One by one, we put them away.
Ready for another day. Clean up, everybody do your share.
Tidy up here and tidy up there.
Clean up, make it shine. Your classroom looks as good as mine. Working together is the best. Put the messy room to rest. Pick the books up off the mat. Just like this and just like that.